Hey everyone, this is Allison from Designs by Allison. Thanks for purchasing Craft on the Go. The Spring Fling kit contains materials to make a buffalo plaid bunny, not one, not two, but 3 carrots. Let's start with the bunny. Take your black cardstock. You can break your chalk into a couple of different pieces in order to create different widths of white pattern. Draw straight lines in one direction and then the other to create your plaid. Remove the bunny from the white cardstock and set it aside. You can decorate that later. Glue with a glue stick the cutout from the bunny right over your plaid, centering it on the paper. Yours won't stick out on the right side like ours does. If you have any little extra pieces sticking up, go ahead and glue those down too. Lastly, the tail. Put the glue not on your fingers, not on the cotton ball, but actually on the paper, right where you want your tail, and then stick your cotton tail down. Now we'll move on to the carrots. Each kit makes 3 carrots with fabric, fleece, and stuffing. Only 2 are shown in these pictures, but I threw 3 in the kit. It's your job to turn these carrots right side out. This is the hardest part of the project. Make it a game or make it a challenge. When you get down to the very tip, you might need to insert something in there to help poke the little point of the carrot out. Make it a big thick marker. Don't use scissors. Don't use a pencil. Just use something and gently push out the rest of that carrot. Get ready for stuffing. Stuffing is a 2-step process. You need to fluff a little and then stuff a little. Make sure that first bit of stuffing goes all the way to the bottom of the carrot. I gave you plenty for 3 carrots and probably a little bit more. You fluff and then you stuff. Third time, fluff and then stuff. You need to leave space at the very top of the carrot, 1 to 2 inches, in order to be able to tie the greens around the top of the carrot. To finish your carrot, grab a strip of green fleece, cinch the top of the carrot closed, wrap the fleece around the carrot, and tie it crisscross applesauce. I found that 3 pieces of fleece per carrot create a nice amount of greens. If you need to trim off a piece or groom your greens a little, go right ahead, just be careful. In the end, you have enough materials to make 3 carrots. You can use these carrots to decorate around the house in spring and fall. Last in this kit is a bag of bunny parts. Use these bunny parts and your imagination to create cute Easter decorations all over your house. Thank you again for choosing Designs by Allison Crafts on the Go. To all the social media things you can, and tell everyone,